Welcome to InvestoSphere, where we unlock smart ways to build wealth, earn online, and take control of your financial future. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet underestimated tools in the digital marketing world, email marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been dabbling in online business, this episode is going to give you a full breakdown on how to make real money using email marketing. Even if you have no product, no experience, and no tech background. We're not just going to throw around buzzwords. We'll show you practical strategies, explain step-by-step methods, and walk you through real-world techniques that people just like you are using to earn a living with email. From building your list to monetizing it, from writing emails that convert to understanding the psychology behind clicks, we'll cover it all. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to turn simple emails into a steady stream of income. Part 1. Understanding email marketing basics. Email marketing is the process of sending messages to a group of people using email. But at its core, it's more than that. It's about building relationships, delivering value, and using trust to convert subscribers into loyal customers. Why is email marketing so effective? It's direct and personal. You own your email list, no algorithm controls it. It works for almost every niche: finance, fitness, fashion, food, freelancing, and more. There are two main things you need to succeed: an email list, something to promote. You can build an email list by offering something for free in exchange for a visitor's email. This is called a lead magnet. Think of a free ebook, checklist, mini course, or discount. Part 2. Tools you'll need to get started. Let's talk about the tech part. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. You'll need an email marketing platform like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or GetResponse, a landing page or opt-in form, a lead magnet. Most platforms let you build a basic landing page without coding. Your goal is to attract people who are interested in your niche and give them a reason to sign up. Once they're on your list, the real magic begins. Part 3. How to build a high-quality email list. Not all email lists are created equal. You don't want just anyone. You want people who care about what you're offering. Here's how to attract the right subscribers. Define your niche clearly. Create a lead magnet that solves a real problem. Use targeted traffic sources like social media, YouTube, or blog posts. Never buy an email list. It hurts your deliverability and credibility. Make your sign-up process easy and your offer irresistible. Clarity and value are your best tools. Part 4. Writing emails that actually make you money. This is where most people struggle. So let's break it down. Each email should follow a simple structure: a catchy subject line, a personal, engaging intro, useful content or a compelling story, a clear call to action by click, reply, etc. Write like you're talking to a friend. Be honest, be consistent, and always put the reader first. Every email you send should make them feel smarter, better, or more confident. Avoid being too sleazy. Focus on building trust, and sales will follow. Part 5. Ways to monetize your email list. This is where the income comes in. Here are proven ways to make money with your list. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with your link and earn a commission. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, printables. Freelance services. Offer your skills: design, writing, consulting. Sponsored emails. Partner with brands who want to reach your audience. Email coaching or newsletters. Paid subscriptions for high-value content. Start with one method, test it, and then scale up. Always track your clicks and conversions to know what's working. Part 6. Understanding metrics that matter. To make money with email, you need to know what numbers to look at. Open rate. How many people are opening your emails? Click rate. How many people click on your links? Conversion rate. How many people take action? Buy, sign up, reply. Unsubscribe rate. Are you losing people too quickly? Use these numbers to improve your emails over time. Experiment with subject lines, content types, and sending times. Part 7. Growing your list organically and consistently. Consistency is key. Create weekly content, YouTube videos, blog posts, reels. Promote your lead magnet everywhere. Collaborate with others in your niche. Run giveaways or joint webinars. Treat your list like a long-term asset, not a quick money hack. The more value you provide, the more your income grows. Mistakes to avoid in email marketing. Avoid these common pitfalls: sending emails too frequently or too rarely. Making your emails all about selling. Ignoring mobile optimization. Writing generic, cold-sounding messages. Not testing and tracking results. Email marketing is a long game. Respect your audience's time and attention. Success stories. We'll now walk through real examples of creators making money using email. A fitness coach building a $10,000 a month course business. A finance blogger earning affiliate income through product reviews. A freelance writer using a simple newsletter to land high-paying clients. What do they have in common? They focused on serving their audience first, scaling and automating your email system. Once you've built a system that works, you can automate. Use welcome sequences that introduce your brand. Set up sales funnels for digital products. Segment your list based on interest or behavior. Automation saves time and increases revenue. Just make sure it still feels personal. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people who want to make money online but never take action. Email marketing is not a trend. It's a timeless method that rewards consistency, authenticity, and value. Now it's your turn. Will you just consume this information, or will you use it? Before we wrap up, let me ask you this. If you could build an email list of 1,000 people who trust you, what would you offer them? And how would it change your life? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your ideas. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive into digital income strategies. Your journey to financial freedom could start with just one email. Let's make it count.